In this video I have my hands on the Moxee Tablet 2 available through Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile. This unit is the Metro by T-Mobile. We're going to be doing unboxing, first impression, and a quick review. In addition to this, I'm going to also tell you how you get this for free and explain a little bit about plans for that tablet. So without any further ado, let's find out. And please make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't already, and to encourage me, give me that thumbs up. Now let me tell you how you get this tablet for free. You must have a Metro by T-Mobile account active over 30 days, and you can ask to add the tablet if you are interested, and it's going to cost you additional $15 for 3 gigabytes a month. As of the time I'm doing this video, they don't offer unlimited plan on the tablet, but maybe later on check with your local store, they might have unlimited plan for the tablet, which is gonna be awesome in my opinion. Now what I don't recommend to do to add the tablet on the time you start a new number with Metro, because they're gonna charge you $50. If your account is not active for 30 days, I would highly recommend to wait 30 days, go back to the store and have them add the tablet for free, and then you just pay the $15, and this is the best in my opinion. Now let me walk you through the main specifications. You guys need to expect this is a budget-friendly tablet, it's not high-end tablet. So in my opinion, this is good for someone doesn't want to do too much on the tablet. They want a bigger screen, watch some content as you go, or if you have kids, that would be the best fit in my opinion. So this is LTE compatible, not going to be a 5G. This has 8-inch screen with resolution 1280 by 800. So you're speaking about a high definition plus, little over 720p resolution is going to be like 800. We have 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, and we have 2 cameras. They're going to be both 5 megapixel. So if you want to do FaceTime, use Facebook to show video, that would be decent in my opinion. And we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which is a budget processor, the model SM6225, and we have a 4300 milliamp hour battery, support C-type charging, and with 10 watt of quick charge, which is decent in my opinion, and the charger should be included by the way. And we have Android 12, which is one of the latest operating system right now. Now let's get straight to the unboxing. Here's going to show you how the tablet is going to look, and we have some of the main specs on the back of the tablet. And let me go ahead, take the seals off. And this, by the way, supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you have Wi-Fi at the home, you don't want to use the service from Metro by T-Mobile, you should be able to do. So it packed very good. So it wrapped in this plastic. Let's just go ahead and take it out of the bag. And here we go. So we have the tablet right there. As you guys can see, we have the front-facing camera. We have a thick bezel, which is fine. At the end, I have a 8-inch tablet, which is, you can see, content very good. And then we don't have fingerprint at this tablet. We have power key, volume up, down key, camera here on the back, and we have the speaker. I'm gonna check the speaker quality later on in this video, and I will give you some information about the speaker. We have the SIM tray, because this tablet, it takes a SIM card. Let me set this on the side and look to the other content that comes in the box. We will have the quick start guide right there. This should be Android, so the way you use your phone, you should be able to use the tablet. And we will have the charger, and then we have SIM ejector tool right there, and we have the USB-C cable, and nothing else in the box. Now we're gonna play with the tablet, check some performance, check the speaker for you, and then we're gonna come back with more details. After I spend a little while with the tablet, let me go ahead and kick off with the design and the build construction. For the design, nothing really fancy here. The tablet made out of the plastic. We have this black back. It has some textures, make the feel good. You cannot use this tablet pretty much in one hand. You have to use 2 hands to give you the best experience. It has the very thick bezel, as I said before, and because the screen ratio 15:9, and this is something fine with tablets because you're expecting to have a big device in your hands, so you're not going to use the tablet in one hand. Now, despite that we have non-removable battery and the back of the tablet sealed very good, that doesn't mean this tablet rated to be water or dust proof, so stay away from all kind of liquid. At the end, the design is old-fashioned design for a tablet. You need a bigger tablet. There's nothing fancy, nothing premium, and this is what we will expect from a free tablet or $50 budget tablet. Now, one of the main things for me I normally focus on when I purchase a tablet, it will be the sound system. We have two carafes for speaker, but unfortunately one for microphone, another one for the speaker. And the sound in this tablet, it sounds like a cell phone, or even some cell phone more loud than the tablet. And this is not a good thing in my opinion, because tablet, you normally buy a tablet because you want a bigger screen, you might need to watch some videos, you need to put your Netflix, you need at least to have a decent sound coming from this tablet. So the sound is not really good in this tablet, so if this is one of the biggest thing for you, you will have to option use the headphone jack for external speaker, or connect a Bluetooth speaker, and that will fix the problem for you. Now, this tablet runs on Android 12, one of the latest operating system, which is a good thing here. Now, the interface on this tablet kind of a little bit look ugly. It doesn't look like the stock Android, even though I believe this tablet runs on the stock Android. There is no custom UI. Everything's gonna come apps from Google pre-installed, and whatever apps you can download from the Play Store. Overall performance for the software, I haven't noticed any problems, lagness or issues. Everything run smooth, and this is back to the hardware on this tablet. The processor was able to process everything fine. I play video games, I watch some videos, movie, download in the background. I haven't noticed lags or problems or delay, so I'm very impressed with the performance of this tablet for the hardware. 32GB storage, in my opinion, decent with 3GB. You can ask more for the price I pay for this tablet. The tablet display, and as I said, normally you get the tablet because you want to watch some videos and stuff like this. Now, we don't have high refresh rate, and this is expected. The aspect ratio is not that important for me, but the amount of PPI is 188, is very low, and this tablet pretty much washed out from the angle side. You guys not gonna also expect the best quality for the display. Now, the tablet battery is marvelous in my opinion. It has decent performance. You guys will expect to get up to 10 hours screen on time, and put in your mind this tablet has a big screen, so this is good for a tablet to get around 10 hours screen on time. That all depends on how you use your tablet on, depends on the brightness level, etc. But for me to see the display in a good shape, I have to go all the way in the brightness, because the display doesn't offer good performance. So you guys will expect from 10 hours, 11 hours screen on time, and this is in my opinion decent performance for the battery. Now, normally when you buy a tablet, you're not going to consider the camera. Most of the tablet I had my hands on, the camera performance was very poor, and no exception for the Moxee Tablet 2. This camera will provide very washed out pictures. The autofocus is slow, so I'm not focusing on the camera on this tablet. If you want to consider the camera, you're not going to expect the best performance, but if you want the camera because you want to face someone, show some videos, take some footage if you needed to, at least you have a camera that you can do the job. Well, the Moxee Tablet 2, I believe, is a great option for the parents to have it to their kids, since it costs only $15 a month and you can add it to your account, get it for free. So in my opinion, this tablet is a buy. So the main focus for this tablet for the performance, I have noticed most of the games I play good, no lags, no problems, and performance is decent. You guys not gonna expect the best quality for the display. The camera is not that good, and the speaker is also poor quality. Other than that, this is a recommended tablet, and I believe you should do it or you should get it because it's free when you add it to Metro by T-Mobile. Get it now, and if you don't want to continue pay the $15, you can later on cancel it, and you will have this tablet. You can use it with your Wi-Fi. That was very much it for that video. Wish you guys enjoy. Find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.